Morning everybody, Jason Hollis Farms. I think it's like a 60% chance of rain today, but most of it looks like it's going to be kind of light, and it's kind of iffy if it might rain early. So I'm going to go see if we can hear a turkey for a little bit. If it starts raining, probably get into something else. Alright, so it started drizzling rain. I knew it was going to be close right about daylight. I ain't heard nothing. But the day ain't over yet. I may go this evening. We'll just have to see what the weather does. But headed back, see what else I can get into today. Alright, y'all, it looks like the rain is set in for the day. So here's what we're going to do. I've had this package here for a little while. This is for the slide-in camper to go with us when we go somewhere. It is a Generac 3000 Power Rush portable inverter generator. I think this thing, if I looked at it right, if I remember right, I think it weighs 59 pounds. There's a little picture of it. Of course, we're fixing to pull it out and take a look at it. And they pour some gas in it and see if she'll run. Let me get us set up here and we'll go ahead and unbox this thing and see if it works. I'm hoping, I'm either going to put a rack on the back of the truck. I'm hoping, I really don't want to fool with the extra rack in the back, but we may have to just soon. Hopefully it'll sit right here, but if it won't, got plenty of room to stick a rack in the back. And then if I have the rack in the back, that'd probably just be my step to get up in there. But we'll just see how everything works out. Alright, so let's unbox this unit. See if everything's going to work. Should. I'm sure it comes with oil and all that good stuff. Toolkit, directions, that's a little funnel. I think these things are pretty nice. There's the oil, 30 weight. I'm not sure if it holds the whole quart or not. That ain't true. We'll see. We're going to read a little bit when we get into this thing. That cute. It's a little heavy, but not bad. 59 pounds, I think is what it says. Anyway, alright, we're going to check on I'm going to study on this thing just a little bit. I won't bore y'all with the reading. I'm going to study on it a little bit. I believe she's going to fit right there. It may just be a little too wide. We'll have to see, though. We'll put it on the back seat of the truck if we got to. Alright, y'all. So I got the oil put in it. Pour a little gas in it. Put it down this hole. Make sure there's nothing there. I don't know how much it holds. It can't hold much more than a gallon, can it? Try not to run it everywhere. Neat little generator. She's pretty full. Right there. Pretty full. Alright. Let's read the directions again. We got a on, choke. That's all it says you gotta do. Some of these things must have electric start. I know this one don't. Alright, that's on choke. Choke, choke, hit the tire, choke. Alright, let's see what happens. Oh man, second pull. Golly. Got an economy mode and all. Guess that's when you ain't pulling much. Man, that thing's quiet. Listen, blowing on y'all, ain't that quiet? Man, I like that. Got USB ports. USB ports. She's running. I gotta check and see if the camper plug fits in that. It may be too small, I'm not sure. But I know to get what we want, we can probably plug into here. I like it. Man, that is nice there. I like it. I want y'all to look at this. Sitting on there. Perfect. Perfect. Might put a little strap on it or something just to make sure it don't move or bounce. That ain't bad right there. Got me an old rubber mat out of one of my old trucks. The next time we take the camper, lift it up and take it off the truck, we're going to put that mat down next time we put it on there. Give her a little cushion. Alright y'all, it ain't done nothing but rain all evening, still raining. And he has slacked up just a little bit, ain't too far for dark. I'm gonna run down here and get a little wet feeding these dogs and probably call it a day. But not much on hunting this morning, but fool with a generator a little bit. I think we're gonna be good to go on that thing. I'm ready for another road trip. Appreciate y'all watching. Out of here.